Welcome! Today, we'll quickly guide you on how to change your Twitch password using your mobile device. First, open the Twitch app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings. Now, choose Security and select Change Password. Here's where you'll make the change. Enter your current password and the new one. Then, confirm your new password to finalize the process. Hit Save to apply the changes. Your Twitch password has now been updated. Remember to keep your new password secure. Regularly updating it enhances your account's safety. Thanks for watching. For more tips on Twitch, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy streaming! Enjoy your time on Twitch with your new password. Stay tuned for more helpful videos to enhance your Twitch journey. See you next time.